রানার যে থিসিস, তার যে গবেষণার ফসল, তা জনাব নুরুল ইসলাম সাহেবের হাতে রয়েছে। আশা করি সকলে ডক্টর মোহাম্মদ সোহেল রানা একটি বই লিখেছেন, যে বইটি খুবই অ্যাপ্রিসিয়েটেড হয়েছে এবং ভারতীয় টাকার মূল্যে ৫,০০০ টাকা আমাকে ছোট্ট বই। প্রাক্তন দাদা তিনি আমাদের কাছে আসছেন এবং কিছু গুরুত্বপূর্ণ কথা, অভিজ্ঞতা এবং মতামত তার এই এখনই অ্যালামনির সভাপতি ইন্দ্রদা বলে গেল যে তার কৃতিত্বের জন্য অ্যালামনির পক্ষ থেকেও একটা অভ্যর্থনা দেওয়া দরকার। তো আমি এই প্রস্তাবকে গ্রহণ করে অ্যালামনির সভাপতিকে অনুরোধ করছি যে তিনি যেন জনাব ডক্টর মোহাম্মদ সোহেল রানাকে ফুলের তোড়া দিয়ে বরণ করে নেন।
তোমরা দেখছো যে প্রাক্তনিকের মধ্যে যেমন একজন সিভিল সার্ভেন্টকে দেখলে, একজন ইঞ্জিনিয়ারকে দেখলে, জেনারেল থেকে পিএইচডি করে আগামী দিনেও কোনো একটা ইউনিভার্সিটির অধ্যাপনা বা আরো অনেক উপরে যাবে। তিনজনের কথা শুনছো। এবারে ডক্টর সোহেল রানা।
Assalamu alaikum. Respected guests and my dear colleagues. Actually, I don't know what exactly to say right now, but I'm just saying my personal feelings here. I joined this Alamin Parivar in 1994. And that time I was too much child by wearing half pant like this. And when I met with our respected Nurul Islam Sahib, he loves too much than that time. But after 5 years, when on 1999, that was my bad luck. Maybe it was an accident that I leave Alamin Parivar. And I just took a challenge for me in my life that I would like to do something from out of this mission. And that was my challenge. And I done right now, and you people are really honored me. I am really honored. Thank you everyone. Actually, I am now doing research on language. Linguistics means language. It's very less scope in West Bengal particularly. But it is now, the need of linguistics is it's coming in West Bengal. Because nowadays, if I simply ask you one question, how many vowels in English? Definitely your answer will be 5. And if I ask you what is vowel, I am 100% sure that 90% of students, you can't reply, answer me that what is vowel. But in our study, we found total 21 vowels. Can you imagine 21 vowels in English? This is our research in linguistics. We are basically doing research on particular English language, not literature. Take for example, if I simply ask you, what is the meaning of dal? Then you may be questioning, which dal I am asking right now? Is that a pulse or is that a branch of tree? There is a confuse. Another example is if some American get a chance to visit in India and he is asking for pen. He needs one pen and he is asking here, give me a fan. What do we provide them? Definitely fan. But what he wants? Pen. Because in Americas, pataka, it runs like pan, tan and can. Suppose one Indian is visiting America and he need one fan. He is asking that give me a fan. What you will provide here? Fan. This is a problem. That's why we linguists discovered more than 21 vowels. Because suppose take for example, simple example. We are not right now whatever we are doing, that is alphabetic writing system. That is the problem. And always there is one gravitational pull walk in your mind for your mother tongue. You can't speak like Bihari. Arey babua, kahan ja rahe ho? You can't speak like this. There should be gravitational pull for your mother tongue. They can understand that you are Bengali. And one Chinese is simply he says here in India that what is your name? What is your name? Just like this. He can't able to speak like like one Bengali. This is the problem. That's why we create a new writing system that is called as phonetic writing system. Here we give the importance for only one sound, there is one symbol. CAT cat, even KAT cat, there is a problem. That is for ka sound only we are using ka. As I given the example that dal. Suppose ma amake dal dao. Eta ekta gacher dal. There is a pronunciation difference in dal. Ma amake dal dao. Simply think about dal. But in gacher dal, eta ekta gacher dal. There is dal. But in khawar dal, ma amake dal dao. There is no pressure there. This is the difference. We are giving much importance here in pronunciation. That's why in English right now there is 45 sounds. And this here we are giving the much importance of pronunciation. And what I look to say. Actually, I don't know what I need to say. That I am just sharing what is linguistics. That's all. And I am really honored that Secretary Sir called me and giving a chance to opportunity to say something here. I am really thankful, sir. And that's my proud. I am saying very proudly that I am the first Indian in Aligarh Muslim University. It was the Department of Linguistics was established on 1967. And right now, 1967 to 2011, there are already 110 research have been done there. But I am the first Indian that is youngest, and within 2 years I finished my PhD there. My thesis is also published from Germany. It is already published from Germany, International Public Center, and the Indian value is 5,000 for this book. If you need to read this book, you just go to the Google, you can find this book. But you have to pay 5,000 for that. But I have promised here that I will definitely give. Right now I have one sample copy they provide me, but after getting more copy, I will definitely provide a gift in this alumni library. I already mentioned in my thesis that it is checked from US Michigan University, and there is one acknowledgement page here to whom I am much appreciative for them. There is one column here. I wish to place on record my deep sense of gratitude to Mr. M. Nurul Islam, founder and secretary of Al-Amin Mission West Bengal, who has been a source of inspiration for my life. And I am greatly grateful for his affection, assistance and moral support. And it is already mentioned here in my acknowledgement. I will not take too much time, but only one sentence which I appreciate much, that I am only one, but I am still one. I cannot do something, but I still can do something. And because I cannot do everything, I will not refuse to do something that I can do. Thank you.